Back home and in general in our religion, we believe that no disease has been sent to the world, but there is not a cure for it. So I believe that as students and as future doctors and researchers, we need to have as open of a mind as possible to all forms of medicine so that we have our main goal of treating the actual patients. Genuinely so enjoyable. I loved every part of it with regards to what we did, whether it be the site visits, going to the MBRU Center, the research facilities, shadowing the doctors here in the Gangnam branch or in other branches of Jaseng, as well as the practical and even just the general lectures. All of it was so enjoyable for me. I never saw something like that because whilst we did encounter facial palsy patients back home, the way Dr. Choi, the doctor I showed us how he went about it and the methods he used, I was shocked. So it was something so enjoyable, so new to me, and something I definitely want to do again. I'd pick mind-blowing because every single thing I feel like we did, we always just topped it a bit more. Did something even more enjoyable, something even more like knowledgeable, gave us more forms of knowledge or even various forms of knowledge that I feel like even going back home, I'd keep with me, whether on how I approach even my general traditional or Western medicine back in uni.